Hi everyone! After all the camping we have done this year and in the past years, I keep getting asked the same question. How do you guys do it? So I thought, why not to share how we usually camp and why we stick to campsites. I mean, we are no experts, but we have definitely found a way that works for us. And who knows, maybe it will help you on your next trip too. No, first things first. Before we even start packing, my boyfriend takes charge of finding the right campsite. He usually picks places we haven't visited before, and I have to admit, he's super organized about it, and he always finds a good spot. We normally camp in the summer, and in the summer campsites can fill up fast, so he always tries to book a spot ahead of time, especially when you are traveling with a camplet like we do, or if you got kids with you. I think reserving a spot is a good idea. Then when it comes to picking a pitch, we always aim for a shady spot. But let's be real, sometimes you are just not that lucky. And this summer, oh man, it was so hot. So we decided to buy during the vacation a portable cooling system, and honestly, it was a game changer for us. If you have ever camped in the blazing sun without shade, probably you know what I'm talking about and what I mean. So being able to cool down even a little bit makes such a big difference. Another question I get asked a lot is, why do you choose campsites over wild camping? And honestly, the simple answer is convenience. Campsites just make things easier for us. We have got access to showers, bathrooms, and even sometimes laundry facilities. So everything you need is just a few footsteps away. Plus, it's a lot safer. In some countries like Croatia or Italy, where we usually camp, wild camping isn't even allowed, so you can get hit with some pretty high fines if you do it outside of designated areas. But it's not just about convenience. Campsites are also a great way to meet new people and have many interesting conversations. And another plus is as well that some campsites even have cool activities like concerts, shows, kids entertainment, and more. So there is usually something for everyone, whether you are looking for relaxation or having some fun. One thing we always try to do is to book a campsite right by the sea, because we just love being close to the water. For us, it's super relaxing and gives us the chance to do more than just sit around. We usually bring our inflatable boat to explore the surrounding areas along with other water gear to have some fun in the water. We are also big on exploring beyond the campsite. We usually bring our bikes or rent them at the campsite to check out the nearby trails. Or we love going for long walks too, to explore the closest towns and grab some ice cream. That's one of our favorite parts of camping, mixing nature with a bit of culture. So yeah, that's pretty much how we do it. From reserving a pitch to bringing our gear and exploring the area around us. It's all part of why we love camping at campsites. And what about you guys? How do you plan your camping trips? Let me know in the comments so I can get some new ideas for our next adventures. Bye!